Hello guys, welcome to Chem World. Today we will discuss on the question answer based on the unit cell dimension and density. This is the advanced level question. First question is, lithium borohydride crystallizes in an orthorhombic system having 4 molecules per unit cell. The unit cell dimension A, B and C given value with the calculate the density of the crystal. First given data is the 4 molecule. So Z is equal to 4. The unit cell dimension means A, B and C given. So we know about the unit cell dimension A, B and C multiplication give the volume of the unit cell. So volume V is equal to A into B into C. A is equal to 6.81 into 4.43 into 7.17 angstrom. First angstrom converted into centimeter. How to angstrom convert it into centimeter? First write angstrom and convert it unit centimeter. Angstrom means 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So both sides same value with multiplication with the 10 raised to minus 8. So 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So this also multiplication with 81 into 10 raised to minus 8, 443 into 10 raised to minus 8 and 713 10 raised to minus 8. So this is given the value of the volume. Then next calculate the density of the crystal. Calculate rho. We know that the density equation rho is equal to Z into mass upon A cube into Na. This is the A cube is equal to volume V. Z value given 4 into mass calculate. How to calculate mass? Lithium borohydride. So, lithium borohydride mass calculation, lithium plus boron plus 4 hydrogen. Lithium atomic mass 7 plus boron 11 and hydrogen 4. So, 7 plus 11 plus 4. So, this is the 22. The given mass 22 for the lithium borohydride. A cube means volume. So this value put out in this place 681 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 4.43 into 10 raised to minus 8 and 7.17 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is the volume and Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. And this value, calculate this value given in the gram per centimeter cube. Next, iron crystallized in several forms. At 1185 Kelvin, the body center cubic alpha form of iron changes to the FCC gamma form of iron. Transition temperature, transition alpha form to gamma form. Then assuming that the distance between the nearest neighbor is the same. In two form of the transition, in alpha form and gamma form, nearest neighboring atom distance is same. Calculate the ratio of density of alpha form to gamma form. We calculate density of alpha form to density of gamma form. We know that how to find out the density. So density is equal to Z into M upon Na into A cube. This density for the alpha form. So we write that the alpha value and this is the alpha gamma. So Z into M upon Na into A cube. The Z value known because of the alpha form structure is the BCC. BCC body center structure. So Z value is 2. 2 into M upon Na. M value same because of the only transition present, but iron is the same. So both value are same. This also Z value 4 because of the FCC structure. 4 into M upon Na. only change of the value of the edge length A. We know that for the BCC 2R is equal to under root 3 by 2A. So we calculate A value. First R value is equal to under root 3 by 4A. So A value is equal to 4R by under root 3. This value put in this equation, A cube 4R divided by under root 3 cube. And then next, this R value is equal to A by 2 under root 2. So A value is equal to 2 under root 2 R. This value put in this equation, 2 under root 2 R cube. Ratio density of alpha form to density of gamma form. This is the 2 into M upon Na into 4R by under root 3 cube divided by 4 into M upon Na into 2 under root 2 R cube. Cancel out, Na cancel out. So this value is 2 divided by 4R under root 3 cube and multiplication with 2 under root 2 R cube divided by 4. This answer is give this density of alpha form to density of gamma form. HCl and NaCl crystallize in the same form and Rna plus and RCl minus is equal to 0.52 and Rna plus upon R plus is equal to 0.71. Ratio of the side of the unit cell for KCl to NaCl and the ratio of density of KCl to that of the NaCl. For example, this is the structure of the KCl and NaCl. Because of the KCl and NaCl structure are same. First we know that this distance, this is the edge length and edge length value is A. But we find out the ratio of the KCl and NaCl. So KCl in ionic form, K plus and Cl minus, that way same Na plus and Cl minus. Distance between the KCl, so Rk plus plus RCl minus. Same as Rna plus plus RCl minus. We find out that the ratio of this divided by this. So first we know that this is the edge length A and this value R and R. We find out that total value is 4R because of the 2R and 2R. We know about the K plus and F minus. Only this distance. So this distance, total distance is A. And this distance noted the A by 2. So half value is considered. So Rk plus and Cl minus and Rna plus and Cl minus is equal to A by 2. And Rk plus A by 2. Differentiate. So this is the A by 2 and A dash by 2. Then given the value is Rna plus divided by RCl minus is equal to 0.52. Rna plus divided by RCl minus is equal to 0.52. We write that Rna plus is equal to 0.52 RCl minus. But we find out the Rna plus plus RCl minus. So both sides adding plus 1. Rna plus upon RCl minus. Add one value and 0.52 plus 1. Rna plus plus RCl minus divided by RCl minus is equal to 1.52. This is the equation number 1. So we find out that this value Rna plus and RCl minus. Next value Rk plus and RCl minus divided by RCl minus is equal to 1.51. This denoted by 1. Then second value given is Rna plus by Rk plus. Na plus upon Rk plus is equal to 0.71. In this equation using we find out that Rk plus plus RCl minus. How to find? Because of the RNA plus is equal to 0.52 RCl minus upon RK plus is equal to 0.71. But we find out RK plus RCl minus. So inverse this equation, RK plus upon 52 RCl minus is equal to 1 upon 0.71. Then RK plus divided by RCl minus is equal to 0.52 divided by 0.71. Same way, adding both side one value, RK plus RCl minus plus 1 is equal to 0.52 upon 0.71 plus 1. RK plus RCl minus upon RCl minus is equal to 0.52 plus 71 divided by 71 is equal to answer is 1.23 divided by 0.71. In the next we find out ratio of the side of the unit cell for KCl to NaCl. This KCl value and this is the NaCl value. RK plus upon RCl minus Cl minus divided by KCl to NaCl. So RNA plus RCl minus Cl minus. Cl minus cancel out. So ratio RK plus RCl minus is equal to 1.23 divided by 0.71 into 1.52. This is the answer of the ratio of the KCl to NaCl. We find out the ratio of density of KCl to that of the NaCl. Rho value, that Z into M upon Na into Aq. But Z value is so same both because of the KCl and NaCl structure FCC. FCC Z value 4. So both structures Z value are same. Na value is constant. So rho only depend upon the directly proportional to M and inversely proportional to volume. So this is the for the KCl and this density for the NaCl. We find out the ratio of the density KCl to that of the NaCl. So rho KCl divided by NaCl. First, mass of the KCl and volume of the KCl. Multiplication with the mass of the NaCl and volume of the NaCl. MKCl divided by mass of NaCl multiplied with ANaCl divided by AKCl cube. For the mass of the KCl, this is the 78 and NaCl is equal to 58.5. We find out KCl to NaCl ratio 1.40. But in this equation, NaCl to KCl. So inversely 1 upon 1.14 cube. So this is answer is the given is the ratio of the density of KCl to that of the NaCl. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.